JEE Main is finally over, and now you exactly know where you stand. Some of you have a very clear idea about what you want to do in the next couple of months, but most of you, I'm pretty sure, are clueless and are shattered because you did not perform well in your JEE Main. Trust me when I say this, there have been lakhs of students in your spot right now, but a few thousand of them made a decision which completely changed their life. I was one of them, and the decision that I made to study for BITSAT right after my JEE Main was the best decision I made in my life. But how did studying for BITSAT completely change my life?
It changed my life because, in spite of messing up JEE, I could still get into a tier 1 college and get computer science. This only happened because instead of cribbing about my bad percentile in JEE, I decided to shift my focus to BITSAT. And you know what? I was not the only one. I know so many people who got a bad percentile in JEE but still managed to get into the top branches of BITS Pilani. Because of this one decision, we managed to get into a college with IIT level placements, campus life, fests, peer group and alumni network. Because BITSAT is a comparatively easier exam and you have just the sufficient amount of time. If you start now, you can do this too. Because BITSAT has a different pattern, it requires a different strategy. Here's exactly what you need to do to crack it.
To crack BITSAT, you require 5 very important things. First, BITSAT relevant lectures made by experts and teachers. People often make this mistake of studying JEE relevant material for BITSAT. But for BITSAT, you require BITSAT specific lectures. Second is BITSAT relevant questions which you can solve on a day-to-day basis to improve your practice. Third is BITSAT relevant test series so that you get familiarized with the exam pattern and build an exam temperament. Fourth is English and LR material. It is worth 90 marks in BITSAT and it's not included in JEE. People usually ignore this and regret it later. Fifth is guidance for BITSAT so that you can strategize your preparation because the nature of the exam in itself is difficult.
Now that's where Fodu Club can actually help you. Fodu Club is a platform made by Bitsians themselves who help you crack BITSAT.
Now through this video, we are launching all of our products for BITSAT 2026.
Fodu Club provides you all the resources and materials that is needed for you to score 300 plus and even 350 plus marks in BITSAT. We have made a product which caters all of these 5 things and can help you score 300 plus even 350 marks in BITSAT. Introducing the Ultimate BITSAT 2026 Crash Course by Fodu Club. This has number 1, the crash course for physics, chemistry and mathematics. These lectures are made by very experienced faculties who have taught in various other big institutes and know the exact level of BITSAT. BITSAT is a completely different exam than JEE Main, so it needs different kind of lectures. You cannot just rely on the same lectures that you have watched for JEE Main for BITSAT. You need a special approach, and that's what we have tried to give you in this particular crash course. The second thing that you get in this pack is 20 full-length mock tests made by Bitsians themselves who know the actual level of BITSAT. These tests are most relevant that you can get in the market.
Every 1 out of 3 students in the 2025 and 2024 batch of BITS Pilani has used this mock test series.
The next thing you get for daily practice and chapter-wise practice is chapter-wise tests, that too of the level of BITSAT. The fourth thing that you get is the Ultimate English and Logical Reasoning course. This course is super important, which has lectures for English and logical reasoning plus relevant worksheets that you can solve to master English and logical reasoning. This English and logical reasoning course is designed by someone who scored 80 plus marks in the English and logical reasoning section. So you can imagine the quality you are going to get in this. And the last and the most important thing that you get is the mentorship by Bitsians. You'll be added to an exclusive premium group where there will be Bitsians to guide you on each step of your preparation. You can ask your doubts and the Bitsians will guide you there. Other than that, we also have regular meet sessions where we give you different strategies on different problems that aspirants face. And also you can ask your questions there itself.
This whole crash course has everything that you need to crack BITSAT 2026.
Now take a decision for yourself and for your life. And moreover, you will get 8 exclusive memory-based previous year question paper of BITSAT as mocks, which have been collected from Fodu Club mates and Bitsians and are not available anywhere else on the internet. And this is not it. You know what the best part is? The best part is you'll get 100% scholarship if you score 300 plus in BITSAT. Now what can be a better deal than this? Other than this, we have other products which are subset of these crash course, but our recommendation for you is to get enrolled in this Ultimate BitSat crash course, as these are all the things that you need to crack BitSat. You can check out the Ultimate BitSat crash course and all the other products given in the comment box and the description. There is no time to waste now. Only join Fodu Club if you are serious enough for BitSat and you really want to crack BITS Pilani. This can be the last chance where you can fix your life and your preparation and get into a tier 1 college.
This year we also have 2 special additions to our crash course. The very first thing is a special problem solving tricks course that will cover all the possible tricks that you can apply in a particular chapter, which will immensely help you in improving your speed, which is very crucial in an exam like BitSat. So along with the crash course lectures, these short problem solving tricks lectures are immensely going to help you in improving your speed for BitSat. And the next special thing that we have is revision notes, so that you don't have to waste hours in making revision notes for yourself. You can just take out a printout of these colorful notes and do proper revision for BitSat.
Hoping to crack BitSat together and see you at BITS Pilani. All the very best. साथ में फोड़ेंगे.